Imagine a world where the darkness of blindness is no longer a permanent barrier, but a challenge that science can overcome. Picture waking up each day knowing that the gift of sight is within reach for millions who once thought it lost forever. For so many, blindness has meant a life of limitations, navigating busy streets with a cane, reading with fingertips instead of eyes, and missing out on the vibrant colors of the world. But what if that could change? Thanks to the revolutionary technology of 3D printed corneas, this once-distant dream is rapidly becoming a reality. Scientists and doctors are working together to bring light back into the lives of those living in darkness. Take the story of one man who, after years of blindness, regained his sight through a cornea printed from his very own stem cells. His world, once shrouded in shadows, was suddenly filled with color and clarity. The process is nothing short of miraculous. Scientists use a special bio-ink, a blend of collagen and the patient's own stem cells, to print a living, custom-fit cornea, building it up layer by delicate layer. This personalized approach means the new cornea is uniquely suited to each patient. This breakthrough doesn't just restore vision, it dramatically reduces the risk of rejection, since the body recognizes its own cells. Patients can look forward to a future with fewer complications and greater success. Even more remarkable, there's no longer a desperate need to wait for donor tissue. The days of long waiting lists and uncertainty are fading away. Around the world, millions suffer from corneal blindness, especially in places where donor tissue is scarce. 3D printed corneas could end this chronic shortage, offering hope to people in every corner of the globe. It's a beautiful fusion of biology and technology, a partnership that's restoring not just sight, but hope and independence to countless lives. The stem cells in the printed cornea don't just sit passively, they grow, adapt, and fully integrate, becoming a true living part of the eye. This is more than a repair, it's a genuine regeneration of lost tissue. This isn't just about fixing what's broken, it's about helping the body heal itself, ushering in a new era of regenerative medicine where science and nature work hand in hand. We are witnessing the dawn of a medical revolution, one where the impossible becomes possible, and where the boundaries of what we can heal are constantly expanding. The future of sight is being printed, one microscopic layer at a time. Each new cornea brings us closer to a world where blindness is no longer a fate, but a challenge we can overcome. Technology, once again, is changing lives in ways we never thought possible, restoring vision, hope, and the promise of a brighter tomorrow for all. Are you tired of constantly switching between your reading glasses and distance glasses, fumbling with different pairs just to see clearly? For millions of people, especially as we age, this daily struggle can be both frustrating and inconvenient. Whether you're trying to read a book, check your phone, or look up to see someone across the room, the hassle of swapping glasses never seems to end. Now imagine a world where you only need one pair of glasses for everything. Autofocus glasses from Finland are making this dream a reality, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek, modern design. These aren't just functional, they're stylish, blending seamlessly into any lifestyle. At the heart of these glasses is a tiny, sophisticated sensor built right into the nose bridge. This sensor tracks your gaze in real time, detecting exactly where you're looking, whether it's up close or far away. Instantly, the lenses adjust their focus, giving you sharp, clear vision at any distance, all without you having to lift a finger. Gone are the days of awkward bifocals or progressive lenses with distracting lines. With autofocus glasses, the transition between near and far vision is completely seamless. You can move from reading a menu to admiring a distant view without missing a beat. For anyone dealing with presbyopia, the age-related loss of near vision, these glasses are truly a game changer. They restore the freedom to see clearly at any distance, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. The entire lens surface adapts to your needs, which means less eye strain, fewer headaches, and a more comfortable visual experience throughout the day. No more squinting or struggling to find the right pair. What's even more impressive is that these glasses look just like any other pair. The advanced technology is hidden within a classic, understated frame, so no one will ever guess you're wearing high-tech eyewear. The technology is so discreet, it fades into the background. You can focus on living your life, enjoying outdoor adventures, social gatherings, or quiet moments without ever thinking about your glasses. This is innovation at its finest, practical, elegant, and designed to improve your everyday life. It's a perfect blend of form and function. Autofocus glasses make seeing effortless. From the moment you wake up to the end of your day, they adapt to every situation, blending into your daily routine so naturally you'll forget you're even wearing them. the best technology is invisible, so reliable and intuitive that you only notice it when it's gone. Once you experience the freedom of autofocus glasses, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Step into the future of eyewear. With these remarkable glasses, you're not just keeping up with technology, you're wearing it, and it's working for you every moment of the day. See the world in all its clarity, with no switching required. Autofocus glasses let you experience life as it should be, sharp, seamless, and beautifully in focus. Age-related macular degeneration, AMD, once meant irreversible vision loss. Now a new treatment combines retinal implants with smart glasses to restore functional sight. A tiny chip is implanted on the retina, taking over for damaged cells. Smart glasses capture the world, process images, and send signals directly to the implant. Patients can perceive shapes, light, and movement, regaining independence. It's not perfect vision, but it's life-changing for those living in darkness. This technology restores dignity and connection to the world. Electronic implants and smart devices now work together to repair the body. As the tech improves, so will the quality of restored vision. It's a beacon of hope for millions. Science is turning the tide against blindness. Never underestimate the power of innovation. The fight for sight is gaining ground. Robotics is stepping out of the lab and into the real world. China's H1 humanoid robot can take a punch, a shove, or a fall, and keep going. Advanced balance and locomotion algorithms let it walk, run, and jump like a human. Real-world stress tests prove its resilience in unpredictable environments. Imagine it searching disaster zones or working in construction, places too dangerous for people. H1 adapts in real time, not just following instructions, but reacting to the unexpected. This isn't about replacing humans, but creating tools for tough jobs. It's a leap toward practical, collaborative robots. The future of robotics is robust, adaptable, and ready for anything. Parallel parking anxiety. Meet the car that moves sideways. Geely's EX5 can turn its wheels nearly 90 degrees, sliding effortlessly into tight spaces. The car pivots, spins, and parks with computer precision. No more stressful maneuvers. This tech could make city parking more efficient, fitting more cars into less space. It's a game changer for urban design and accessibility. The driver lines up, and the car does the rest. Automation solves a daily frustration, making driving less stressful. It's a practical innovation, available now, not just a distant dream. The future of parking is sideways. In Beijing, robots now run an entire restaurant. No chefs, no waiters. From ordering to delivery, machines handle every step. Robotic arms cook, plate and mix drinks with flawless precision. Autonomous bots deliver meals straight to your table. Automation tackles staff shortages and ensures consistent quality. Robots work tirelessly, improving efficiency and hygiene. Human chefs become creative directors, designing menus and programming robots. It's not about losing the soul of cooking, but elevating it. This is the future of dining, efficient, innovative, and delicious. Technology and gastronomy, perfectly blended. Hypersonic missiles are reshaping global security. China's new missile travels at Mach 5, 5 times the speed of sound, and costs far less than rivals. These weapons are nearly impossible to intercept, making old defenses obsolete. Affordable hypersonics could shift the balance of power worldwide. Innovations in manufacturing make mass production possible. The arms race now focuses on speed and unpredictability. While the science is impressive, the implications for global stability are profound. Technology's double edge. It can heal, feed, or threaten. The future of warfare is faster and more complex than ever. The dream of reversing aging may be closer than we think. For centuries, humanity has searched for ways to slow down or even turn back the clock on our bodies. Now, science is beginning to reveal secrets that could make this dream a reality. In groundbreaking studies, scientists discovered that young cells can actually rejuvenate old ones by sharing healthy mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses of the cell, through microscopic nanotubes. This process allows the energy and vitality of youth to be transferred directly from one cell to another. When old cells receive this fresh supply of mitochondria, they don't just feel better, they begin to function like young cells again. Their energy production increases, their ability to repair themselves improves, and even their appearance under the microscope changes. This isn't just a temporary boost, it's a true reset at the cellular level. The rejuvenated cells show lasting improvements, suggesting that the effects could be long-term and transformative. Aging may not be a one-way street after all. If we can harness this process, we might be able to slow, stop, or even reverse some aspects of aging. The implications for health and longevity are enormous. Imagine a world where people stay healthier for longer, free from many of the diseases that come with age. Imagine treating heart disease, dementia, or arthritis not just by managing symptoms, but by tackling the root cause, aging itself. This could revolutionize medicine and change how we think about getting older. Of course, we're still in the early stages of this research, and there are many questions left to answer. But the potential is staggering, and every new discovery brings us closer to a future where aging is no longer inevitable. The secret to youth may lie in cellular cooperation, not just in our genes. By helping our cells work together, we could unlock new levels of health and vitality. It's a beautiful vision, health extended, not just life. Imagine more years filled with energy, joy, and connection with loved ones. Science is turning what once seemed like myth into a real possibility. The boundaries of what we thought was possible are being pushed every day. The future is not just about living longer, it's about living better, with more years of good health and happiness. The fountain of youth might be inside us all, waiting to be unlocked by the power of science and the spirit of discovery.